Have you ever needed medicine but felt too nervous to ask the pharmacist in English?
Yes, last week I had a terrible headache and I just pointed at things.
Oh no! Well, today we're fixing that. I'm Jenna, and this is English with Jenna.
And I'm Daniel, your fellow English learner.
Today, we're learning 3 essential phrases for the pharmacy. Just 3. By the end, you'll feel confident buying medicine in English. Ready, Daniel?
Let's do it.
Okay, Daniel. Imagine you have a headache. You walk into the pharmacy. What do you say?
I want medicine?
That works. But here's a more natural way. Listen carefully. I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Perfect. Let's break it down. I need something for, then add your problem. Daniel, try with a sore throat.
I need something for a sore throat.
Excellent. One more time, nice and slow.
I need something for a sore throat.
Beautiful. Now, this phrase works for anything. A cold, a cough, a stomachache. Just change the ending.
Oh, I see. I need something for a cold.
Yes. Now let's practice a quick role play. I'm the pharmacist. You have a cough. Go.
Hello. I need something for a cough.
Of course. I recommend this cough syrup. It works very well.
That was easy.
See? Just one phrase and you can ask for any medicine. Let's move to phrase number 2. Okay, Daniel. You asked for medicine. The pharmacist gives you a box. Now what?
I take it?
Wait. You need to know how to take it. This is super important for your safety. Here is the essential question. How often should I take this?
How often should I take this?
Perfect. How often means how many times. Let's say it together slowly. How often should I take this?
How often should I take this?
Great. Now, the pharmacist might answer, take it twice a day, or take it every 6 hours, or take it before bed.
Twice a day. That means 2 times?
Exactly. Twice means 2 times. Once means 1 time. 3 times a day means, Daniel?
3 times.
You got it. Let's practice. I'm the pharmacist again. You just bought headache medicine. Ask me the question.
How often should I take this?
Take it twice a day with food.
Twice a day. With food. Okay.
See how important that question is? You need to know the correct dosage. Always ask, how often should I take this?
This is really useful, Jenna.
I know, right? Now, final phrase coming up. Daniel, sometimes the pharmacist talks fast or uses difficult words. What do you do?
Smile and nod?
No, don't do that. You might take the medicine wrong. Instead, use this phrase. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
That's long.
Let's practice it slowly. First part, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Good. Second part, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Now all together.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. This phrase is polite and clear. Pharmacists will be happy to repeat. Let's do a full role play. You're buying medicine for a cold. I'll talk a bit fast. Ready?
Ready.
Here's your cold medicine. Take it 3 times daily with meals and avoid alcohol while taking this medication.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Take it when you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And don't drink alcohol.
3 times a day with food. Got it. Thank you.
See? You understood perfectly the second time. Okay, let's review all 3 phrases together. Repeat after me. Number 1. I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Number 2. How often should I take this?
How often should I take this?
Number 3. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
Fantastic! Daniel, do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I can't wait to use these phrases.
That's what I love to hear. Remember, everyone, practice these phrases out loud. Say them 5 times today. Say them in the mirror. Say them in the shower.
In the shower?
Why not? The best way to learn is to practice speaking. All right, friends, you now know 3 essential phrases for the pharmacy. Which phrase will you use first? Comment below.
And if you want more real-life English lessons like this, subscribe to English with Jenna.
We make learning English easy, fun, and natural. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye! Keep practicing.